You gotta love that sales pitch, huh?
So,
Good, better, best.
oh yeah.
This one's the worst.
Yeah.
I don't have much here. Morning. How are you doing? Pretty good. Huh. The book sale, huh?
Yeah. We have a lot of readers at the house that are all grown up.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Little feet in there. Would you do a buck on this jacket here? $1 on this jacket?
Sure, why not?
I think I have money. Yeah, there it is. There you go.
You can get the hanger, that'll be cool.
You want the hanger?
Yes, please. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Neat. Morning. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. Hello, how are you? It's good. You have any yard sale? Cool.
You have a baby?
Okay.
Where did you put the box with the baby stuff? This is 6 months. That's 9 months. This is 06 and wow. So this is
That's actually baby stuff.
6 feet. Remember?
Yeah, it's baby stuff. For holding wipes, I think.
Yes.
Yeah. Wait, then don't have pickles.
Why was it down
Big truck.
Thank you guys. You too.
Okay.
Cool.
Those are cave coveralls.
Yeah, they're
Designed
cool.
For caves.
Wow.
I use them for crawl spaces. I paid like $225 for them,
Wow.
and I'm asking 30.
$30.
Yeah.
Why were you in crawl spaces?
I do crawl spaces for a living.
Oh, you actually designed them?
Yeah, I actually, this was actually for an employee I had,
Yeah.
and he's no longer with me,
Mhm.
so it's this way too big for me.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. It would kind of be nice.
Oh, yeah.
So many spiders in my crawl space.
Yeah.
How much is this?
How much is that?
5. You gotta love that sales pitch, huh?
So,
Good, better, best.
oh yeah.
This one's the worst.
Yeah.
Not my style of marketing, but
Yeah.
Oh, this is cool. Skip-a-zoo. That's neat.
That's $10. Yeah, I had those stairs.
Oops. How much is this?
3.
3. Rotator.
How much is it, sir?
I'm with stupid, huh?
Would you take 20 on your crawl suit?
What if I meet you halfway, $25? Does that sound good?
Yeah. I
Okay.
think that's fair.
Okay.
And I'm still thinking about that route. I think I should get the router too. So that'd be 30.
Get the what right now?
The router.
Oh, the router?
That'd be 30, and then I think I want that. She said 3 on. That dispenser.
Okay.
So 33.
How much was that? How much was that dispenser?
3.
Okay, so 33?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Let me.
Okay.
What are these?
They're like timers.
Oh, okay. Turn off at a
For
certain
like a
time.
lamp or something like that.
It's kind of neat. 20.
Okay.
30. I think I have a 10.
Right back.
I might even have $3 though. Oh no, I have 5. So we can get
Right
2
back.
back. How's it going? Not too much. I like your shed. I think it's cool.
Like you do some fishing.
Oh, oh yeah. No. I did when I was a kid. I could totally get back into it, but oh, that's cool. Do you have your own boat?
Yeah, I got my pontoon boat.
Oh wow, nice.
Good morning, ma'am. How you doing?
Good, how are you, sir?
All right. I want you to drive back up there and pick her up. I want her to have to walk back out to that road right
This was easy for her.
Okay.
They were a driveway.
straight up the hill.
Yes.
That's cool. How much are these?
$2.
$2. How about 5 for all 3?
I take it.
Sweet, yeah. 3 bikes, 3 kids, perfect.
I don't know. Somehow or other, I couldn't get mine to hang on the wall. I
Huh.
couldn't do it.
I think I'll be able to, because I don't have it finished. I can see the studs. So you probably just couldn't find a stud, would be my guess. You got 5 back, or? Always buying chargers and cables and all that fun stuff. Cool. Thank you.
How much did you cost?
You want the young lady here? I'm gonna let you have it.
Aw.
Mama.
So it's been packed away, so I don't even know if it still works.
So he's giving it
For free.
Thank you, sir.
Those are nice, those little
made
psycho
her
clocks.
day.
Yeah.
Like I said, it's been packed away for years. All this, I was just stationed in Germany, and all this stuff.
Throwing stuff, sorry.
Packed away, they packed away. So I don't even know if it works. So you can have it.
Okay. Well, she'll like that. Just sitting there
It's
looking
pretty,
at it
yeah.
anyway. It is. Well, thank you for doing that for her.
How much is this?
Hey, y'all doing? Give me $5 for that. Trolling motor's still good. Oh, $50 for a trolling motor. You go down on the prices, right? Take it as a package deal. Yeah, boy. How much is this? I forgot why they even had it in there. Give me $10 for the whole thing.
You throw in the HDMI cables if I give you 5?
Yeah.
Throw in the HDMI cables? You can always use an extra HDMI cable. I'm going to give you your money back.
You give me 8. Yeah. Okay, watch this.
It's a bold offer.
Give me 8.
Alright, here's 5. Okay.
I take 10.
I love a good negotiation.
Okay.
Thank you guys.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Yeah. $10. 50 cents. Thank you.
You too. So these are we get some LED.
Those are 42.
All right. Have a good one.
I'll get it. $10.
So what do you need a remote for with a cooler?
It's temperature
So-
controlled.
There's two parts. There's the part that sits in the cooler, and then the part that you can either mount on your dash, and you can control the thermostat.
Huh.
That.
Interesting.
So you ain't gotta go back there and dial up the thing.
Dan, are these 9.5?
I need one of those. The sizes on them.
I don't have my glasses. Let me get my glasses.
This looks interesting.
Yep.
I need them anyway.
Wide. How much is this Ford emblem? That's pretty cool. I'll take that.
Okay.
$10. Yep. Sure.
Here you go. How much are these?
50 cents a piece. Okay.
That's $2.50. I'll probably take those.
Okay.
How much are these?
Buck a piece, a buck a set. How's that?
A buck a set?
Yep.
Would you do a
All
$1.50?
four.
Because then we can be at an even
Absolutely.
dollar amount?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Man.
It's all about not
Bring it
using
back in the
change.
garage, I'm good with it.
There's a national change shortage. I'm very concerned about.
Absolutely.
1, 2.
Exactly right. Someday they'll catch on.
Yep.
Thank you, man.
Thank you. Ooh, it's heavy. Cool. Thank you, man.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys, that was a neighborhood sale. A bunch of really small sales in one neighborhood. Those usually I don't get a ton at. They're generally not good. I got this little Disney jacket. You know, I looked up comps on it. It looks like it goes for about 15 to 20 bucks. I paid $1 for it. What else did I get? I got this little jumpsuit, which is for, like, he said caving or canyoning. I can't find a single comp on that jumpsuit, so hopefully he's right. I listed it for $99. We'll see if it sells. Oh, I also got a modem there, brand new modem. I've got it right here. This is Belkin. Looks like it sells for $30. And I got some headlights for a car. These ones look brand new. There was another batch I got as well, and they look very old, so I think one of those was kind of a waste. And then I got 5 of these at a sale, and it looks like I should be able to get 15 to 20 a piece. And then I got this Ford emblem, which is really nice, like OEM emblem. Looks like that's selling for 30 to 40 on eBay. Not sure how quick these things will move, but you know, the prices were so low. I think I paid $4 at that last yard sale. I paid up a little bit for the cannoning suit. Oh, and I got that wine dispenser. That I already sold. I sold it on Facebook Marketplace for 10 bucks. So I spent, what was it, 33 for the modem, the cannoning suit, and the wine dispenser. Got 10 back, so that puts me at 23. So I'm pretty sure I'll sell the modem for 30. It sells pretty often. So basically anything I get on that cannoning suit at that yard sale would be profit. And then of course I have all those other sales where I'm going to make a lot of profit. Oh, one more I forgot. I went to that yard sale where the guy gave the lady a clock. That clock is probably pretty valuable, but it's cool that she got it. He was very kind. When I was there, I got a couple HDMI cables. I got a tool. Oh yeah, I got these bike rack things. So basically you put them on your wall and you hang your bike. Those, I looked them up. They're worth like 15 each. I might keep them because we really need them. So yeah, good couple sales. Had a lot of fun. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, put a comment down below, and tune in next time.